This video will show you how to get a digital library card from Delaware Public Libraries and how to check out free ebooks, audiobooks, and other forms of media. You simply start at Delaware Libraries, which you can get to at the URL lib.de.us, or you can do a Google search of Delaware Libraries and then click on the link for Delaware Libraries. Once you are here, you can click on Get a Delaware Library Card on the right, and this will allow you to sign up for free online for a digital library card. When you get to this page, you simply fill your information in and you click Register. This will give you a digital library card. Once you have filled out your digital library card application and submitted it, you will see this screen. And then you can go to their media page and you can access all of their online media. Overdrive allows you to access ebooks that are available. You may have to put some on hold, but they have a pretty wide selection and it's very easy to access, especially if you use this app, Libby, which you can download at the App Store in order to access Overdrive books easily. Flipster gives you magazine choices that are digital, and Hoopla is the one that I want to focus in on now. When you get to Hoopla, you will have to get started and register here. But once you have registered there and you log in, you will have the ability to go to the kids section if you have kids, and you can browse audiobooks, movies, music, comics, ebooks, or television. Comics or comic books. Audiobooks allow you to hear recordings of popular books, and ebooks will allow you to read popular books as ebooks. Hoopla has its own reader, so as long as you have a computer, you don't need any other device. You can download and use any of these things on a computer. You can also get a Hoopla app from your app store and access all of these things from your phone or tablet or other device as well. You can choose the different filters here in order to get particular books that you're interested in. You can look at what's popular. You can look at what's featured. If you find a book that you wish to read, then you can see more information about it to decide if it's a fit, and you can borrow it. It will tell you how long it's borrowed for, and then you can click read, and it will work very much like a regular book. You have some other options though. You can change the text. You can make the font size larger. You can change the theme so the background looks different. You can change the line height, other things like that. And when you do, it will change the appearance. You can search within the ebook for a particular character or other things. You can go here and you can see the chapters and go right to those chapters. You can also set bookmarks, and then when you go to see your bookmarks, it will take you right to that bookmark so you can keep track of where you left off. And you can close the book. When you want to get back to your book, you can just go back to Currently Borrowed, and it will show you all the books that you have borrowed. You can search by a particular title. You can browse to see what's available. We're just going to look at comics for a moment. You can use the filters you can sort. And you can check that out just like you would any other book, and then you can read it like that. Now, if you want to look at audiobooks, you can uncheck the kids feature too if you want to see young adult audiobooks. Or if you're an adult and want to read them, you can look at categories, and you can zero in on categories like this. Maybe you want a children's audiobook. So you just go to the book that you want to hear. You can see more to decide if that's something you want. You can borrow it. And then when you go to play it, you can pause it or stop it from there. You can turn up the volume. And if you want to do something to it, you can speed up or slow down the narrator. You can set a sleep alarm so that you listen to it as you're falling asleep and it automatically turns off. You can go to the different parts of the book, and you can set a bookmark and go back to the bookmark. When you are ready to do something else with it, you can return it. This will also play on any device that you have if you have the Hoopla app. So that is Hoopla. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you will use your digital library card from Delaware Public Libraries and their Hoopla app.